loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful peach makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. So for this makeup look, we're going to be using the Baby Got Peach eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. For the first color, we're going to be using the one that you see here called Darlin', and we're going to be using a medium-sized fluffy brush, also known as a crease brush. Well, in this case, this is really like an eyeshadow blending brush, but either way. And we're going to be applying this all over the crease of our eyelids. Just wanted to jump in here and quickly say welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. Please do not hesitate to comment down below any questions or comments you may have, any sort of products that you'd like me to try out, whether it's eyeshadow or foundation or whatever it may be related to beauty or skincare. I'll be sure to check it out and I'll be sure to respond. For the second step, we're going to be using this beautiful deep coral that you see here called Perky, and we're going to be using a small rounded brush to apply this to the outer V or outer corner of the eyelid. You see me here kind of drag it a bit more into the center of the eyelid, and that's simply because I want to make sure I have enough product and I blend this out with Darlin', the color that we just applied on, and with the color called, and with the next color that we're going to be applying. Quick tip, here you see me using the back part of my Falsies eyelashes case. That's simply just because it's really like cardstock paper. You're welcome to use any sort of note card, perhaps an envelope, or if you just have a piece of paper, that works too. Fold it into like 3 or 4 just to make it a bit thicker. And I hold it underneath my eyelid as I'm applying, most of the time I do this as I'm applying any sort of eyeshadow, because I like to apply my eyeshadow after I've already applied my foundation. So this collects the fallout and will prevent it from falling onto the cheeks of my face or onto my foundation. For the third step, it's time to blend. Yes, you heard me right, it's time to blend. Please do not skip this step. This is probably the most important step. I think that there isn't any sort of whatever makeup look that you're doing. You want to make sure your makeup, your eyeshadow particularly, is blended out smoothly and to make sure it doesn't look choppy. So in this case, we're going to use the same small fluffy brush that I used initially to apply the color Darlin', but I'm going to be blending out Perky into Darlin', as you see here. For the third step, now I have to say it's probably one of my favorite colors on this palette. We're going to be using this beautiful coral, shimmery coral that you see here, so shimmery peach. It's called Get Even, and we're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this on the main part of the eyelid, so from the inner corner to about a little more than halfway, so that it reaches the color Perky, and then we can blend all three colors together. Quick note, you do not need any sort of setting spray, no setting spray needed, please. Usually with ColourPop eyeshadow palettes, it's really not needed because the colors are very pigmented, and in the same way that you see them on the palette, you'll see them applied the same way, or the same color, onto the eyelid. The reason I say that is because sometimes there are eyeshadows that you know that may need setting spray just because it's not really sticking from the brush onto your eye, or because the color's a bit faded, but in this case I don't believe that you need it. We're almost done. For the last step, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be applying the color Perky using a small blending brush, fluffy brush, to be applying this all over the lower lash line. Usually I like to apply the last color, the one that's on the main part of the eyelid, so in this case it would be Get Even, but in this case I want this look to be a bit more peachy and a less shimmery, if you know what I mean. But you're more than welcome to apply Get Even, or if not, you're more than welcome to mix them or use any other color that you may want on this palette. This palette is beautiful and I do recommend it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, and that's it. This is the final look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything on. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know if there's another look you want me to try, maybe perhaps with this eyeshadow palette or with another eyeshadow palette. I'm more than happy to do so. Please do not forget to hit the like button down below. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and please subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Take care, guys. Kisses. God bless.